Ball drop. Gotta stay. Gotta stay. Can't drop. Won't drop. Go!
Do it. Three, coming down me. 1, 2, 3. Stay. Go. Reset. It's all right.
Give it up for our Hoover.
Right there. All right, gentlemen, come in, shake hands, introduce yourselves.
Brian. Look, be safe. Wait.
Outside kick. The roll runner with the carry. Yeah, back pass. To the next game, complete. Turn the time and off to the roll runner, he breaks outside. Still on his feet, breaks the tackle. Still on his feet. The ball runner. Bring it back to pass. Pass it. On his own. Road runner with another big run play.
33rd on his team. That's right. 31.
Back to the 2-3 pass, running the ball, looking at the ball to him, still looking, throws it up the ground, caught by number 23. Short run by number 8. Come on, play. Recovered by Hoover. Can I get a Hoover? Let me get a Hoover. Yes, sir. Still back to pass. As a man in the middle, deep for Hunter. Touchdown, Hoover. Can I get a Hoover? Can I get a Hoover? And it's good. Deep kick. Out of bounds. Empty backfield. Look at the pass. Complete to number 23 on the catch. Tackle by both the Cardinals. Screen pass, set up. Looking to drop it back to pass. Pressure by number 6. No one controlling. Boom, baby, boom. Number 2 back to pass. Oh, hit on the high snap on the play. Noriega got the pass. 17 back to pass. Behind line scrimmage. Ooh, great kick. Takes a Hoover Cardinal bounce. That ball's going to be down. It's 2 back to pass. Looking for a quick pass, number 23. Tackled by number 10. Number 2, quick pass to number 15. Looking for room. Picks up a few blocks. Cuts inside. Tackled by number 1. Jason Asumo on the play. Looks like it was a fumble at the end of that. Number 2 looking for somebody to pass to number 23. Tackled by Andrew Medina. 2 quick pass to number 15 on the play. Tackled by number 21, Andrew Medina. 2 back to pass, going deep. Quick handoff. Like a ball. Makes a bunch of that defense quick. Number 2 back to pass. The ball's up. And looks like Kearny's electing to go for it. The 2 back to pass. There's the ball up for grab. Picked up by number 3. Xavier Logan. Can I get a Hoover? The pass caught by number 5, the X-Man himself, Xavier Williams. Now to the road runner. First run played by number 10. The wrong emotion. Number 2 looking for a man. The quick pass to number 1. Tackled by number 2. Quick handoff on the play. On the play. It looks like it was recovered by Kearny. And it's going to be Hoover's ball. Before. Noriega back to pass. Complete the X-Man. Number 5. Tackled by number 9. 17 back to pass. Has a man. Hey, open up with a field. Oh, it's a tackle. It's another tackle. Big game to play by the X-Man. First down. The road runner looking for him to skate. Takes another tackle. Takes another tackle. My goodness, that man is slippery. Back to quick number 0. People, hold on, Hoover run. Another touchdown, Hoover. Get up. And the 2-point conversion is good. So, with 7:01 left in the second quarter. Big kick on the play number 15. With the room to run. Puts his foot in the ground. Uh-oh. Puts up and bounce. Big pass number 23 on the play. Looking for room to run. Man, tackled by everybody on defense. Number 2, back to pass. Pressure on the play. Oh, so close for number 43, Tyno. Pass complete to number 23. Number 2, back to pass. Quick pass, number 3. Number 2, back to pass. Good for the run. Number 23 on the play. 15-yard penalty. Go ahead and pass. 2, back to pass. Uh-oh, avoided pressure. Sacked by number 33, Byron Fisher, and number 50, Daniel. Number 2, back to pass. That's room. Uh-oh, taking off the run. That's room in front of him. And he scampered for the first down. Number 2, back to pass. As a man, oh, still on his feet, oh, close to the touchdown, but not quite. There's the goal, quarterback keeper. Waiting for a signal from the refs. Second down. Play action pass. Touchdown. Play action pass. Looking for somebody to complete ball to throws it up. And that's going to be picked off. Number 5, extra number 1 to run. Going backwards on the play. Talking about number 20. Makes another tackle. Okay, Stilts. Man wide open. Down the bowling. Oh, what a catch by number 12, Tyler. Pass completed to the road runner. Looking for him to run over the shoulder of the play. Looks like he was tackled in. Pass looking for number 23. Oh, just out of the reach of. There's number 4, the road runner. Beep, beep. That boy was. The team looking for Mika Hunter for number 3. Oh. Number 17. Looking for a man. Got a man open. Oh my goodness. Boy. We got to the road runner. Looking for room to run. Gets tripped up by number 7. Back to pass. And Kearny going to take a knee. So, what they're going to say. 45. Kick is up. Uh-oh. incomplete. Quick pass on the play. Looks like that was an illegal pass. Two back to pass. Takes off. Break the tackle. Slides to safety. Two. Number two, back to pass. Going deep on the play. Oh, nice play by number 25. Big pass to kick to number 3. Breaking tackles. Ooh, big hit on the play by number 6. Noah Contreras laying the boom. And that's going to be a first down. Pass complete to number 5, the X-Men. Oh, breaking, oh, did he break that tackle? Breaking tackles on the play. Pass complete again to the X-Men. Still fighting for your. Passing complete intended. He's gonna look for room, puts his foot in the ground. Pass complete for the first down, number 5, the X-Man. He caught it, but he was out of bounds. What a catch by the X-Men. Good one with roll, puts his foot in the ground. Ooh, great move, but still gets rid of the ball. Looks like it was intended for number 5, 20, Cardinals. Pass complete to the man of the hour, number 0, Bingo Hunter. What a catch by the X-Men. It's going to be a Hoover. Ooh, big hit on the play by number. Big hit on the play by. He's outside. If he's outside, he's gone. Oh my goodness, that man is important. Laundry on the play, pass intended for number 5. Another flag on the play. Short run by number 4. Pass complete with number 0, Bingo Hunter, dragging half the team on his back. Great run by number. Touchdown for the Roadrunner! And a 2-point The two, back to pass. Ooh, breaking tackles. Number two, back to pass. Quick screen to number three. Hand off to number 6. Two, quick slant. Looks like enough for a first down. Back to pass, quick screen. Tackle by number 10. Screen pass, number 23. Hoover run. Rumbling, stumbling, puts you flag on the play though. Pass complete to number 2. Number 2, back to pass. Two, back to pass. Completed 2. Your 2, back to pass. No one open for the scramble. Like we have an injured player down in the play. Your 2, pass completed. 2, back to pass. And that's a touchdown for the Kearny. Two, back to pass. Pass complete to number 1. Pass complete to number 3. Number 2, back to pass. Pass up, going for number 23. And the 2-point conversion is good. Pass caught by number 0, Hoover. First down. Guilty flag on the play though. Touchdown. The flag on the play. Quick pass. For two, back to pass. Tackled by number 1. Oh my goodness, what a play by the X-Man to punch it out when he kicked recovery. Man, so close. Great. Eligible man downfield for with 5:22 left in the game, your Cardinals 30. Oh, they get X-Men and trans. By X, by X, by X, by X, by X, by X. Touchdown! Can I get a Hoover? Can I get a Hoover? Pick is up. Onside kick on the play. It was close. For two, tackled by number 10, Joseph Delay on the play. Oh no, 4th and 10 for Kearny. Quarterback looking for a Hoover run. Slides down. For two, back to pass. Complete to number 3. 1st and 10, Kearny. For two. Number 2, Scrambler. pass. Big time sack on the play by number 6, Noah Contreras. 4th down, let's make some noise. 4th down on the play. Number 2 back the pass, look where it goes. Throws it up. And that is a touchdown. Hey, folks, this is the game right here. Let's go. Let's go. Number 2 back the pass. He caught, oh my God, he caught that. We have ourselves a ball game, folks. There we go. Pass caught by number 5, the X-Man. Great catch by number 5, the X-Man. Greatness is crazy. Out of bounds. Number 4. Kick is up and it's good! Kick is up. Number 1 on the carry. Let's put on the run. Ooh! Number 45 just right. Number 2, back to pass. Big hole! This is the play right here.